Hey, what's up, guys? It's Raymond again. Today we're going to be picking a key turn padlock. I'm not exactly sure what brand it is. Doesn't have one on there. I'm going to be using a tension wrench I made out of Allen wrench. Just grinded it down on the grinder wheel, and a homemade pick that I made out of a hacksaw blade. Alright, we'll go ahead and get started here. Go ahead and insert your tension wrench. Insert your pick. Now once you start working the pins, you just want to, like I said, keep some downward pressure on the tension wrench. Take it where you use a lot. And there you go. Alright, I'll show you another one. Lock. Tension wrench in, go ahead and put it in the pick. You're going to work off, like I said, downward pressure on the normal way a key would turn on the tension wrench. Work each pin so that two halves of the pins meet at the shear line, and then that's what allows the key to turn to open the lock. Get it here and work. Alright, we'll try one more time here. Just wrench in. It's not unlocked. Put it in the pit. Work the pins. Work them each one, and there you go. If you like this video, I have more regular updates. Just put in a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and if you like it, subscribe.